What's up, guys? Not the usual camera quality today, just on my phone, but I thought this was necessary to make because I picked up my car on Friday. It's now Monday from pretty much the whole car getting repainted. And the first thing I did when I got it home was ceramic coat it. I've done one coat by myself of the mother's ceramic, and I mean, the results are pretty good. So I just wanted to share that. I'm gonna do another coat after I wash it here, but this is why you should ceramic coat your car. As long as you follow the directions, let it cure for 24 hours, and do it right, and clay bar your car beforehand, it is very worth it. And this is after one coat. All right, got the car. One coat. Just comes right off. That's amazing. All right, that's it, guys. Short video today. Just really thought you guys should see this because, hey, I mean, if you save yourself a lot of money by ceramic coating your car yourself, as long as you follow the directions, it is definitely worth it.